I'm at it again with another project. This time because I have limited light back here in this back room, women cave / office / closet, she shed. As you can see, I have that lamp there, which I got from Amazon. It has different temperatures, which is good, but I also discovered these light fixtures on Amazon, which I'll put a link to in the bottom to that. Or as you can see, I'm going to put them in the ceiling. I got 3 of them. I already had one over my desk from a long time ago, but I ordered 2 additional ones. One to put in the middle and one over where my treadmill is, so I can light it up back here. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do and try not to kill myself up on this ladder. It turns out that one remote operates all 3. So I have 3 remotes, but I can use one for all 3 of them.
Yeah.
This is what this one looks like. So now I have 3. There. And there. I need to paint the ceiling. I still have to paint the ceiling. I was going to do it the same color as the wall, but I'm in no hurry, because painting a ceiling is no joke. This is what this one looks like. So now I have 3. There. And there. I gotta do something with that. I still have the shoes there, but Quaz is kept. This is a lot better than it has been in quite some time, because I'm always doing something. I've got something going. I need to straighten this up a little bit better too. Now I'm seriously considering, like I said, this is blocking the door. Oh, by the way, I changed my mind and put that shelf back up after I took it down. I didn't feel like dealing with it, painting and all that stuff. And I just did this over here. And I just put a couple of things up on top of the window sill up there. She tired. But anyway, I was thinking about, I need to move these, for seriously. They're in my way. And then I was going to turn this that way, you know, facing the window. And put it kind of like in this area. Now maybe I shouldn't put the drums over there. Let me try that. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Ooh, I seriously need to lose some weight. Get on that treadmill more often. I just let myself go. As you can see, I decided to move the file cabinet back over here next to the desk. I'm trying to keep all the office stuff on one side. So, of course, there you go. And I need to paint that Mickey drawer, which matches that desk. Yeah, I feel better with it right there where it's to the left of me, because I did change the desk so I'm looking right out the window, as you can see here. Before I had my back against the cabinets there. Now, the file cabinet's to the left of me so I can just pull it open. I don't have to get up and walk over there to get something if I need it. And like I said, this office is always changing. It's a mess. And I have just so much stuff, and it just seems really cluttered. And I need to minimize some of this. It's getting on my nerves. I'm done with the office for now. Now I need to make up the bed. I have to strip it down. That headboard, that whole bed, I'm tired of it. I get like that sometimes. I've had that bed for 4 years now, and I want something different. And I've been looking and looking. I haven't seen anything that I like. This is an adjustable mattress, so whatever frame I get needs to accommodate the adjustable mattress. I think it is the color I don't like anymore, and that shiny material. It was nice at the time when I got it, I don't like the nail heads on the wing back anymore. Yeah. I sprinkle baby powder on my mattress pad. Do any of you do that? Also use the Febreze air freshener as well. I see a lot of people struggling putting their pillowcases on their pillow. My mother taught me this. Just pinch it at the middle there, as you can see. Flip it over and snatch the edge of the pillow. And then just pull it over. Now the first one happened quick. This one took its time. But yeah, basically that's the quickest way that I get the pillowcases on my pillow. Here I am now. I am just tired of all this clutter, all this stuff. It's just way too much stuff. Now I've cleaned this office up, made some few changes. As you can see, the desk is over there. File cabinet there, the little file cabinet. But this desk, I don't want it back here anymore. Part of me wants to take it around the corner, donate it. Part of me wants to keep it, but keep it for what? So the garage could be more packed up with stuff. Then I got these two things that hold some of my hair products and stuff that was underneath the desk. But anyway, like I said, and those percussions, I need to shrink wrap those and put them out in the garage, seriously, because they're in my way. And my little area over here is my little treadmill area. Looking at it from this angle, I have the chair here, my work area over there, that shredding documents that need to go, either I'm shredding them or take them around the staples and put them in their shredder. But this right here, I've even considered disassembling it and just wrap it up and store it. The drawer will fit under my bed, so I can just keep everything in here and just slide it under the bed that I'm going to reupholster. So let's see. Okay, I am going to disassemble this. Oh, I need to get my tripod, my tools. As you can see, I took it apart. I decided to hold on to it, so I'll put it together and just store it in the garage on one of the shelves back there. In my effort to try and declutter this office, my woman cave, which is still cluttered to me, I've managed to make a few adjustments, few changes. This is just here right now because I'm trying to do some stuff. This right here, I'm also keeping it here because I need to do some other things too. Laundry, I got my tennis shoes here because if you haven't seen this before, this is my treadmill section of my office. And I have a laptop there, which I use. Oh, it's up on the shelf. And I use that when I want to do some virtual, walking videos. Or I could use my iPad. But I keep that there because I have another laptop that I use more frequently. All right, I put a curtain here. And this is, out to the backyard. The door is still blocked, but not as bad as it was. These wig heads, I got these. I call myself buying some wigs, which I really don't wear wigs, but I was trying them out. But I thought about doing some kind of art thing with this by pouring paint over, I don't know. But for now, they're there. My husband's percussions are there, which need to go into the garage. But for now, I have them here covered up. Stands are already out in the garage. I need to clean out the garage. I have a lot of items I need to donate. So before I do all that and put this thing outside, I got to get rid of some of the other stuff. As you can see, I got rid of that desk. I'm just trying to eliminate. And of course, I got this chair here. I got the gray chair in the other room, in the other bedroom, because I didn't really care for it, the recliner. And this goes with my green curtains, my green walls, my aesthetic here. And I put the file cabinet here and this little cabinet there. Of course, trash. My desk is here. I have a little exercise pedal thingy-majingy under there. So when I'm editing or using the computer, I can still do my exercise there as well. And a green pillow here. when I'm sitting in this chair here. And let's see what else. Yeah, over here, everything's still the same. Not much has changed. I just had to clean it up a little bit. And still a work in process, because guess what? I'm still not satisfied with that either. I guess I never will be satisfied. You know, this is color. I've used color over the years, and I'm strictly black and white, but back here I decided to do something different. Bring some color in my life. So, yeah. And of course, these are here, which I was considering moving them on the other side of the wall, but no, I'm going to leave that alone. Trash. I've been shredding documents, which is over there in the corner in that box. And see what else. Jewelry box I put here. This is part of one of those things you put on your feet when you want to walk around and dust your floors. I have a whole bunch of them. They're all over the place. And of course this, I gotta put those Uggs in the closet. For somebody who used to hate Uggs, thought they were the ugliest things, I own 8 pairs of Uggs. I have lost my mind. 8 pairs. Now in the bedroom, where I'm making changes, I said, let me turn some light on in here so I can show you what I'm doing. Well, first of all, this is what that looks like over here. It's not perfect. It's not all that neat. I'm still in the process of cleaning. And I put these items over here. Brought the dresser here for convenience. If this is your first time, this is my little DIY wall separator. Right there are the wings from my the wing backs from my wing headboard. Am I saying that right? Yeah. And here it is. I took them off because my plan was to get rid of this bed. I'm tired of it. I don't want it anymore. I'm like that. I get tired of stuff and I want to get rid of it. I need to stop that. I'm not rich. I just like changing stuff. I can't help myself. However, I took the wing backs off. Now, next step, I'm going to cover this bed. I'm going to change the fabric. Yes, I'm going to reupholster it. And if I screw it up, so be it. I wanted to get rid of it anyway. To be honest with you, I don't really want to, excuse the mess there. I really don't want a bed frame at the moment. I just want to use the wall as my headboard. And this is adjustable mattress. I'll just push it up against the wall. I also have I thought about getting a canopy bed, but why bother? I also have a canopy bed in the garage, which is kind of southwestern. And I'm not sure. The room is smaller already. I don't need to put all that in here. I think this is sufficient enough. I'm going to change that some kind of way with a beige type fabric. I'm getting away from the gray, shimmery, shiny, whatever this is. Velvet. Yeah. Yep, so that's the plan. So stay tuned for that.